Hello guys, welcome back to LANapp. For today's video, here we're going to show you how to reset a Ford Focus radio. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, if you're looking to reset your Ford Focus radio, then in this case, this can be kind of complicated. Now, depending on what model you currently have, the radio might look something different to this what we currently have right now. So what you need to do is you first need to look for your volume button or your confirm button. But if you do have a volume button, you need to use that. So you need to press a combination of buttons. So first, again, look for your volume button. So in this case, also you might want to set this to a 0. So make sure it's volume 1 or just in mute. So basically just turn it on the other way. So counterclockwise just to minimize the volume. But once you've done that, what we need to do is you want to press and hold the volume button and the 1 button together. So do this for about like 5 to 10 seconds, and that should actually start your radio, and that should reset it. But just in case that doesn't work, you may have a different model, so you might need to use the 6 instead of the 1 button. So again, make sure it's actually on mute or it's in the lowest volume, and just press and hold these 2 buttons together 5 to 10 seconds, and that should reset your radio. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANapp. Thank you for watching.